Now discuss about the relation between modern periodic table and electronic configuration. Within a period, neighboring element differ slightly, while distant elements differ widely in their properties. The elements in the same group show similarity and gradation in their properties. These characteristics of groups and periods only because of electronic configuration. Groups and electronic configuration. While going down from top to bottom within a same group, the electronic cell get added and electrons are added in the newly cells. The same number of valence electrons are present within the same group. The elements which are present in the same group, these all elements have same number of valence electrons in their outermost orbit. For example, group first, hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. These elements are present in the group first, and all these elements are called as alkali metals. In all these elements, one valence electron is present in their outermost orbit. We take another example of group number second. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. These elements which are present in the group number second, and these elements are called as alkaline earth metals. And all these elements contain two valence electrons in their outermost orbit. Another example, that is group number 17, halogen family, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. These elements which are present in the group 17. 7 valence electrons are present in their outermost orbit of all elements. It means that in any group, while going from top to bottom in a group, electronic cells get added and electrons are added in newly cells. This is the relation between group and electronic configuration. And what is the relation between period and electronic configuration? In case of period or within a period, while going from left to right within a period, the atomic number as well as valence electrons increases by 1 simultaneously in a period. It means that same number of valence electrons are not present in all elements which belongs to the same period. But in case of groups, the elements which belongs to the same group, they shows similar valence electrons in their outermost orbit. But period, in the same period, all elements do not show same number of valence electrons in their outermost orbit, but they shows different valence electrons in their outermost orbit. In case of period, the period number is equals to the cell number of that elements belongs to the period. If elements which are present in the period number 2, then all these elements have 2 cells. It means that the electrons of these elements are distributed in 2 cells. Electrons are distributed in these 2 cells. If period number 3, then the 3 cells are present in the elements which belongs to period number 3, and the electrons of all these elements are distributed in these 3 cells. While going from left to right within a period, electrons are added in the same cell, but in case of group, electrons are not added in the same cell, but they are added in newly cells. This is the relationship between